Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how to use Teladoc to find and talk to an online doctor 24/7. So first, open the Teladoc app or website and sign in to your account. Now once you're logged in, look for the option to start a virtual visit or connect with a healthcare provider. Then choose the type of care you need and answer the question about your symptoms or reason for the visit. Teladoc will then show you the available care option based on your needs, location, and eligibility. If you're looking for care outside normal office hours, then check the availability shown in the app. Some Teladoc services may offer access 24/7, while availability can vary depending on the service and your location. Next, review the provider and appointment options available to you, and choose an available time or select an immediate care option if no one is offered. Then follow the instruction to provide your medical and insurance information, then complete the visit request. Once your visit is confirmed, you'll be able to connect with the healthcare professional through the Teladoc platform. Keep in mind that Teladoc isn't appropriate for every medical emergency. If you're experiencing a life-threatening emergency, then seek emergency medical care instead. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.